In this step, we will machine the 1/2 inch 13 UNC relief groove. Expand the gallery, and then select Groove. Make sure groove definition is set to chain, then press OK. Zoom in on this area. Select this entity, and then this one. Then press OK. Select the OD Groove Center Narrow tool and enter the comment, machine the 1/2 13 UNC groove. Select Groove Shape Parameters and enable Use Stock for outer boundary. Select Groove Rough Parameters and change the back off to 20%. Select Groove Finish Parameters. Change the overlap between passes to 0.02. Make sure Lead In is enabled and click on the Lead In button. For first pass lead in, set entry vector to tangent. Select second pass lead in and set it to tangent. Press OK, and press OK again to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. Select all operations and click Verify. Close the simulation window. Return your view to top and toggle the toolpath displays off. Now we will machine the 1/2 13 UNC thread. Select Thread. Select the OD Thread Right tool and enter the comment, machine the 1/2 13 UNC thread. Select Thread Shape Parameters. For thread form, click on Select from Table. Change thread form to Unified UNC UNF. Scroll through the list and select the 1/2 inch 13 UNC thread. Then press OK. Click on End Position. Then click a point roughly in the middle of the groove. Select Thread Cut Parameters. Make sure Determine Cut Depths From is set to equal area. NC code determines the G code that displays in the NC file depending on the toolpath you choose. It can be longhand, box, canned, or alternating. Determine Cut Depths From determines how the material will be removed. Equal amounts of material at each cut, or equal depths. Determine number of cuts from can be set to the amount of the first cut, or based on the number of cuts. If you choose amount of first cut, the system automatically calculates the number based on the amount of the last cut, the thread shape, and the depth of thread. Stock clearance sets how far above the top of stock the tool retracts between passes. Overcut sets how far past the end of the thread the tool moves before retracting. Anticipated pull-off sets the distance from the end of the thread that the tool begins to pull away from the thread. Acceleration clearance sets the necessary distance in the z direction for the tool to accelerate to full speed before it starts cutting the thread. Press OK to generate the operation. Backplot the operation. When backplot is finished, press OK. Then select All Operations and click Verify. When Verify is finished, close the simulation window. Return your view to top and toggle the toolpath displays off.